Ryan, open your window.
Cracking it, bro, because you're not gonna harass me.
Ryan, open your window, man.
Nah, I'm not gonna do it.
Yo, look, it's Ravella, rude.
Alright, what's up?
Roll your window down.
Why didn't you pull me over, man? That's all I'm doing.
Ryan, I'm not asking you, I'm telling you. Yo, it's Ravella, dude. It's not somebody else. It's Roll.
No, but like, yo, I'm going to CDL school, bro. I go get my permit tomorrow. I don't need you guys harassing me tonight.
All right.
I'm not gonna take off, but you're not gonna just do me dirty.
Okay, I need your license, registration, insurance.
All right.
Ryan, you have to roll down your windows, dude. It's hard to see what's
No, but yo, I don't want you grabbing me.
Do we gonna drag you out of no car, dude? Appreciate it.
Yeah, but don't grab me.
No, as long as you're cool, I'm cool. That's all.
Leave me alone, man. I just want to be left alone, bro. I'm legit. Like,
You shaking, bro? You cold?
nah, man. You know I get nervous around you guys, bro.
Alright.
That's all.
I don't know. Yeah,
What you guys doing, bro? Like, you guys got 3 cops around me, bro. I got a cold. I'm going home.
All right, Ryan, open the door, please.
Nah, I'm not getting out.
Ryan, get out of the car,
For
please.
what, bro?
I'm telling you to get out of the car.
Why, though?
I'm providing you with a lawful.
No reason.
You're going to be patted down. You're not being searched. You're being patted down.
You're not patting me down. You have no fucking reason.
Ryan, I'm going to ask you.
Why did you stop me? Why did you stop me?
The motor vehicle violation, we'll deal with that in a moment.
Yeah, but I want to know that. I want to know.
I'll provide it to you in a
You
second.
can't just pull me out and search me.
Hey, go. What'd you pull me over for?
Let's get out of the vehicle. Get out of the car.
Ryan, get out of the car.
No, let me calm down. Chill out. I'm going to get some...
Oh, it's not a pipe. Huh? I thought that was a crack pipe right there. Sorry, man. That looked like a crack pipe from my corner.
There you go.
Once again, we have the great officers from the Willimantic Police Department. This starts with, obviously, Officer Kienan Giller. There was a complaint filed on this. This kid felt harassed. I know Ryan Hurley. I don't know him great, but I do know him. And from everything else we see from Giller, I would say it's 100% targeted harassment. As he puts in his file, he left a high-traffic drug area, which is what we see from him. Every time somebody leaves a high-traffic drug area, this is what we get. A simple traffic infraction that turns into a full-blown molestation and search of somebody's body and car. So be careful anywhere in Willimantic, because they can say, literally, this street's a high drug area, that street's a... It's whatever they make up. It's kind of like the dogs. Whatever they want the signal to be, it is. Real heroes, right? And I've been doing research into these stops that they're doing, and a lot of them seem to be 100% illegal. The most they can do to you is a pat-down Terry frisk for weapons, which they didn't think he was armed. They never once said they thought he was armed. So why are they searching him? Why are they patting him down? Because they're looking for drugs, not a weapon. And apparently that's what they found, even though we don't have any of those cameras, because great Samuel Brown gave me 4 cameras out of the whole incident. 2 of them are car cams. One of them's 30 seconds long, and then we have dumbass Ravella's, which appears to be the longest one. But they claim in all the reports that they have all the views and they have this and that. Well, why didn't they include it? Why didn't they include the camera with the said traffic infractions? They seem to do that a lot. And we have seen Giller lie, make up, that he saw somebody do something that he didn't do. In the camera, that one proves he was a complete liar. So maybe that's why they didn't give us the car cam this time. I can't think of any other logical reason why the Willimantic Police Department and Samuel Brown would not include all the videos that were asked for. What they actually need to search you for drugs, to go beyond a frisk and search for drugs, they need one of these. Probable cause, a canine alert, consent, a search incident to arrest. And that's how they get everybody. Because most people aren't consenting. They never have probable cause. And 9 out of 10 times with the videos we have, nobody gets arrested. And the canine alert is for the vehicle, not the person. They seem to think that a canine hitting on a vehicle automatically means that they get to search the person. From everything I've found, that is not true. And they need individualized suspicion of the person. So it seems like they rely heavily on these canine hits, when we've seen how often these dogs are completely wrong. This is the Willimantic Police's MO. This is all you'll ever see them out doing. Any of these cases. He violates Rodriguez every time. How can you give somebody a warning after an hour? How long does it take to write a warning? 5, 10 minutes, if that. It could be a verbal warning. That would be considered stalling. And they're not allowed to do that either. And we do have another incident from just recently with Ryan that appears to be just as crazy as the rest of them. So let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments. And if you feel any type of way, all the information will be in the description.
Ryan, open your window.
Cracking it, bro, because you're not going to fucking harass me.
Ryan, open your window, man.
Nah, I'm not going to do it.
Yo, look, it's Ravella, rude.
Alright, what's up?
Roll your window down.
Why didn't you pull me over, man? That's all I'm doing. Why?
Then get out of the car.
Ryan, turn the car off.
I'm not doing it, bro. I don't, well, for what reason, bro?
Ryan, I'm not asking you, I'm telling you. Yo, it's Ravella, dude. It's not somebody else. It's Roll.
No, but like, yo, I'm going to CDL school, bro. I go get my permit tomorrow. I don't need you guys fucking harassing me tonight.
Alright, here's the deal, Ryan. You got stop sticks under your car, so if you try to take off, it's gonna be a problem, okay? Alright.
I'm not gonna take off, but you're not gonna just do me dirty.
Okay, I need your license, registration, insurance.
Alright.
Ryan, you have to roll down your windows, dude. It's hard to see with the fucking tints, dude.
But yo, I don't want you grabbing me.
Do we gonna fucking drag you out of no car, dude?
got you. I'm gonna throw it down right now.
Thank you, Ryan. I appreciate it.
Yeah, but don't grab me.
No, as long as you're cool, I'm cool. That's all.
Leave me alone, man. I just want to be left the fuck alone, bro. I'm legit. Like,
Close.
no, I stopped, man.
All right, just work on your license, bud.
No, not enough for that.
We're taking
Yeah.
you guys like really want me to go to jail, bro. I'm on good behavior.
Ryan,
I lit him up at the same.
is Amy your PO still?
Nah, I got Julio. I'm on once a month. They don't fuck with me, man. They know I'm doing good.
I can't see his hands, dude. What's...
He's just reaching for his wallet. You're straight. You shaking, bro? You cold?
Nah, man. You know I get nervous around you guys, bro.
All right.
That's all.
I don't know.
Yeah, whatever.
I got 31. Thank you. All right. Let me get your paperwork.
Yep.
All right. Over.
What's up, man? How you doing?
All right, sir.
Yeah, I see it too.
Yep.
Yeah,
What you guys doing, bro? You guys got 3 cops around me, bro. I got a coat. I'm going home.
All right. Ryan, open the door, please.
Nah, I'm not getting out.
Ryan, get out of the car,
For
please.
what, bro?
I'm telling you to get out of the car.
Why, though?
I'm providing you with a
You have
lawful...
no reason.
You're going to be patted down. You're not being searched. You're being patted
You're
down.
not patting me down. You have no fucking reason.
Ryan,
to.
I'm going to ask you.
Why did you stop me? Why did you stop me?
The motor vehicle violation, we'll deal with that in a
Yeah,
moment.
but I want to know that. I want to know.
I'll provide it to you in a
You
second.
can't just pull me out and search me.
Hey, Gil, what'd you pull him over for? Just so I can tell. Just
starters,
Don't
you gotta
even
have the
put the
plate.
fucking car in drive. Don't do it. I'm not doing that, bro. I'm not putting it in fucking
Right. Give me out.
Look.
Well, dude, apparently, why are you lowering the window front? Not the window. Who cares?
Because I don't need to let you guys open it up in my car.
Did you actually put the
You want me to do that right now?
Oh, listen. I can explain the reason why I pulled you over if you guys want. Open the window. I will have a conversation with you, like a man. Be a grown man. I'm not gonna grab you. Go fuck. Yo, I'm a man too, right? Listen, the reason why you got pulled over. The front plate has to be affixed in the front of your vehicle, for one. For two, you stopped on top of the crosswalk. 2 big things. Okay?
That way, if he gets some speed, he'll hit those.
Going like this, all animated. Stop. Way past the line. On top of the crosswalk. Okay? So 1 and 2. Okay? Now, I'm going to ask you for the first time, okay, to get out of the vehicle. Are you going to comply with me and get out of the vehicle? Why are you doing that? You saw how bad I'll go to the side of the car. Okay? Here's the side. Listen. Okay. Okay, listen, you're not going to grab shit.
Yeah,
So if you're going
to...
listen to me very
John.
clearly now. Because I'm going to start to get upset. Okay? Trying to remain calm.
Is that the one locked?
No, I got it.
No, his.
No, I tried it.
All right.
If you have a little bit of something, it's not the end of the world. Okay? So get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the car.
Ryan, get out of the car.
Yeah, no, let me calm down. Chill out. I'm gonna get down.
Cough up.
No, I'm done. Chill.
All right, give us your hand. Give us your hand. There you go.
It's a big deal, dude. This shit can go smooth. We're all about
Why are you gonna cuff me,
We're all
bro?
about to go home, right? So the last thing we want to do is process you. So why are you doing this right now? Because you got red-handed.
Just confirm that.
Wow, that's not a pipe. Huh? I thought that was a crack pipe right there. Sorry, man. That looked like a crack pipe from my corner.
There you go. Okay. Just have him run his dog real quick.
Yeah.
Yo, John. Just run your dog.
I got listen, I'm gonna take you back here. I want fucking bullshit. Yeah.
It's in here.
Yeah, that's it, man.
It's cracked.
Yep.
So why are you all upset?
Yo, because, bro, it's just going home. You gotta stop me and pull me out. Like, for that, man, yo, all I do is get high. So what, man? Like, I don't fucking run around here selling shit. Like, I'm a fucking addict. I'm sorry.
You don't gotta apologize. You don't gotta apologize for being an addict, man. Shit happens.
Like, I have a problem. I have problems. That's all, man. Everybody's got issues, man. My parents love me, man. I just got out of detox yesterday. And I'm getting on a shot Friday so I can drive trucks. Like a legal shot and actually get legal on a drug. They got a new drug I can be on. Not have to go to the clinic every fucking day. Yo, I come out and I'm trying to get the shot and I hit.
What's up?
He said there.
See, I thought that was a crack pipe because all I saw was that.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll let Keenan do his thing. I don't want to search this. It's his stop.
I'm 33. I'd rather do that than this.
Just the evidence is right there, right?
Keenan, I'm gonna put it on your seat, dude. Tolbitchka. 5x5.
Ryan.
I'm wrong. I got
What's up?
I'm wrong. I'll wait and I'll take the benefit you go to jail. You just be straight. That's it.
So let's keep this pattern of honesty like you've been doing, right? Yeah. What else is in there? Just ahead of time. Just tell me right now.
Dude, I have maybe old methadone bottles or...
Is there dope in the car?
No.
Is there fent in the car?
No. Unless they're sniffing it from, like, somebody else.
Someone else might have left some?
I don't know, or whatever this hand's there, maybe, I don't know.
I'm talking about the dog. No, I'm not worried about that. But I'm asking if there's physically any bad.
There might be empties that I fucking don't know
No,
where
I'm
they're
just asking
from.
you.
Yeah, like that they're old. Yeah, maybe, yes. Maybe, I'm being honest, yeah. Could be. Oh, and then just throw it in bag on shit. Yeah. For disrespect. Yeah.
It's okay. It's just, it won't open. It's okay.
Oh, yeah. No, I unlocked it.
Dude, I'm really sorry, man. I thought that was a fucking pipe, dude.
It didn't matter.
You saw what I was looking at, though, right?
We had every reason to take him out anyways.
I'm not worried about that, so I'm disappointed in myself, dude, for...
Not your fault. I thought it was.
Why's he got a mask, dude? No
He had
band.
it on to start.
Does
he sell?
Not really. He's a kind of like... He's a dopey, yeah.
I'm probably not gonna finish him if we don't find anything else.
I mean, we just did all this, dude.
You want me to?
Yeah. I mean, we back up.
Gotcha.
Oops. I didn't do that intentionally.
I didn't know if you
No, I mean...
want me to? I'm down.
I mean, it's your call, dude. It's your fucking... But we're out here, you know what I mean?
Yeah, got it.
It's an easy one. If you want to buff him and send him on his way and...
I'm not even gonna hit him with interference. Just
No. I don't think that's necessary.
I mean,
He was drinking out that drink, so he might have popped. I'd dump that, see if there's anything in that, maybe.
we could hit him with it.
I mean, is it worth it? I mean... Yeah, it's your call, bro. This guy's a fucking idiot. I don't fucking care.
They rolled their eyes.
No, I don't care. Your favorite friend's not even here, so it's not like it's a big deal, you know what I mean? Why is this wire? Oh, it's just capped.
Paintballs. A ton of paintballs. Like paintball gun in here. Yeah, bro, before you guys got here, I just stayed kind of like by the door of my car and gave him commands because he was trying to run with the car. Once
You need an ID for him?
Huh?
You need an ID?
He's not real, so it should.
Yeah, but we need to seat up. So I fucking just did something in my hip, dude. Running out to my car. Yep, that don't feel good. Look. Right there, lower left side.
Huh?
As it, you know, as it say, lower left side.
Definitely gave her a listing. 1,000,000% gave her a listing.
Yeah, I know. I heard it from over there. He almost made it home too. Huh? Almost made it home. Oh, Ryan. Where did he live? Right there. I got you. You use two hands, bro. I got you. You can use your hands. I got it. Thanks. Is it legit? Huh? Yeah. Really?
Yeah. I think he's.
I know it's terrible feeling, like one night. So you see, like, just an image, right? Like, you don't see, like, the man, right? We don't got to figure. I can tell you, I do not have it figured out. If I did, I'd love to give you some advice.
What's up?
I still ain't got this shit figured out.
Do you want? Here, I'll get this.